All right. Hey everybody, welcome. Welcome to the stream. How's everybody doing? Good people of the internet. What's going on, everybody? What's poppin'? What's cracking? Say hi in the chat if you're on. Oh, we got YZmon here. Early birds, right? Grinding continues. Hell yeah, man. How's it going? How's life? Is everything okay, man? We are just continuing to grind. Going good. Keep it up, man. Let's keep grinding. Transistoric, my man. How's it going? Let's get it. Give me a second, I'm gonna refresh my tab. So guys, let's warm up a bit, all right? I'm thinking of doing some maintenance, also live coding. I mean, it's just, yeah, sometimes they just get mixed. So I'm gonna warm up. So what is the warm up for someone like me, building packages? Well, so let's just build some packages, dude. Also, I want to do some updates on my setup today. Mainly, I want to check Bacon. I'm not sure if you guys know that tool. I'm very curious about that one, because I was using Cargo Watch for some time, but Bacon seems better, so I'm gonna check that out. But let's warm up, alright? Let's warm our fingers. Let's get ready. Alright. This is basically just I'm just building packages, dude. Alright, so yeah, Bacon, is it nice? I'm curious about it. I'm gonna try it out in a second after I build one or two packages. Because if I remember correctly, Cargo Watch is now deprecated. No, it's top development or something. So it would be nice to make the switch, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I think I'm not sure why I'm watching the watch exec repo. I don't think I'm currently maintaining that, but let's check. Watch exec. Okay, it's already been updated by Caleb, so I can just remove that from my list. Oh, very cool. I'm gonna check it out in a second. So I don't think I have any other packages to build for now, so I'm gonna build this one, Brute. This is for just navigating files, I guess, or just finding big files and so on. So it's quite cool. I haven't used it properly yet, but I think it's a good one. I usually just run dust on a directory to find the biggest file and so on, but Brute seems fine. So yeah, also Bacon is from the same guy, if I remember correctly, right? Yeah, there you go, Bacon. So the reason why I want to try this out is because, like I said, Cargo Watch, let me find it. Cargo Watch pretty much finalized their releases. So final release of Cargo Watch, and they suggest to use Bacon. So I'm just gonna go and check out Bacon. Is there documentation somewhere? Let's check it out. Alright, interesting website. I mean, right off the bat we get a pig in the background. Alright, so let's see. Bacon is a background Rust code checker, so it's for Rust. That's cool. Minimal interaction. Okay, so preferences, interesting. Rust 1.82 changelog review next. Yes, let's do that. Good idea. So let me pull that up somewhere. Rustlang, Rust. Is it released or is it a draft? Where's the changelog, bruh? Do we need to find it somewhere in here? Releases. Let's review it. Okay, this is still building. Is my VPN? No, I don't have a VPN. For some reason it's kind of slow, but okay. So that's probably the 1.82. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna check that out next. So I already have Bacon installed, I think. Let's check out the preferences thing. All right. Key bindings. I don't think I have. I know enough about this tool to configure it yet. But okay, create a Bacon TOML. It looks quite straightforward actually. So I'm gonna try it out on a repo, maybe on something small. Let's try it on Binsider. So main. Okay. So pull the new changes, and I think what I'm gonna do here is that don't use not using the default config, but I'm just gonna steal something from Josh because I trust him. Let's steal something from him. Let's go to his repos because I know he uses Josh. Josh uses Bacon, not the other way around. All right, don't get confused. So TUI widgets, I remember seeing that here. Bacon TOML, yeah, there you go. Let's see what he does. So this is a configuration file for the Bacon tool. Default job is check. Cargo check. Okay. Let's just copy this, man. Let's just copy this. I trust him. Bacon TOML. In the meantime, I can just release this package because it's been built. So, all right, I'm gonna pull that up here. So what happens if I run Bacon now? So Bacon repository, complete helping. Cargo nightly and slow internet goes every day, yeah. Key bindings, readme. I don't think I have readme job. Readme, okay, I'm just gonna remove that. VHS, don't need that as well. Coverage. Yeah, maybe this project was too specific. I want to check a binary. Maybe this one. Go with default. Non-Rust apps comes with good default. Maybe I can just go with default. But anyways, I'm curious about the default one though. Let me check out the default one. FD so much. FD maintainer joined Astral, so excited about Rust people working in Python ecosystem, but is making a comeback because of Rust, I think. Yeah, I feel like that too. Who was the guy who created FD, by the way? What was his name? I want to check. I want to stalk him now that you mentioned bacon in it. Shark DP. Okay, let's stalk him. Okay, bacon Tomo. Cargo check. Check all. Flippy. Test. Doc. Run. Key bindings. Okay, let me actually run this bacon. Let's see what will happen. Okay, check is now running. I don't know why it's taking so much time. It's actually, it should be built in just a second, because I already built the dependencies before. Something is not right there, but okay. Alright, it's completed. Okay, so now when I save something, it will rerun the check. Is holy moly at writing Rust, just going through his repo makes me feel so dumb. Why are these guys so smart? Probably a time issue. They just probably worked on stuff for a while. I don't think it's a skill issue. So he joined Astral. Have I met him actually? I don't remember him. I don't remember meeting him before. Maybe next conferences, but I can probably, if he is around, I can run into him somehow, somewhere. David. He's interested in science, math, programming, technology, cycling, progressive rock music, board games. I work on self-driving cars. Okay, okay. I took that thing back. He's skilled. Okay, it's a skill issue. He's like working on self-driving cars. Okay, he's smart, dude. He's smart, yeah. Academic work. So, is he also like an academician or something? Like working at, studying at some university? I don't know, man. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. I just did my bachelor's. Maybe I should have just studied more. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not complaining. Okay, check is now running, I guess. Yep. But so what's the catch of bacon? I mean, it's just running check when I save. Like, yeah, that's it. Or let me check the Josh's config actually. Bacon. So Josh is doing more stuff. So F format. O coverage. Okay, I see. It's quite simple. Like, it's just running a command, so I guess it's good for having defaults in your Rust project, but other than that, not sure. I'm curious about reloading TUI apps though. Can bacon do that? Like when I, so let me update this. So cargo run. Just run cargo run instead. Let's see. No workspace. No color, no nothing. I don't need. Okay, maybe color is okay. No. Okay, so check. It's supposed to run the app. If it's going to run the app, then I like it, because it means that I can live reload the app. But for some reason, it's just it's just building everything from scratch every time. Like nothing is cached here. Am I missing something, or like what the hell, dude? Is it using nightly or what? Okay, compiling. It's gonna run probably. Bacon pancake is making bacon pancakes. Is that a song? Should I Google that? Okay, running it. So it didn't really run. Maybe it's because I didn't set this to true. Where's my Tui? Where's my Tui? It is from Adventure Time. Man, it's been a long time since I watched that show. Maybe I should rewatch it on Cartoon Network's YouTube or somewhere, I don't know. I'm more of a regular show guy, you know. Sometimes I still watch the regular show, to be honest. Guys, I don't like Bacon. Bacon is not working for me. I like Cargo Watch. So Cargo Watch, run. You know, this is good because now when I save something, it will just automatically reload. That's good. But Bacon, I don't know. Maybe I need to configure something. But out of the box, it didn't give me that, so it's gonna take some time. David Peter Astral. Should I? So type 1 in the chat if you want me to send a CV or like apply for a job at Astral. Send one, like type 1 in the chat. Type 2 if you don't want me to do this. Okay, it's time for me to actually get a job here, right? Holy shit! Look at these people. Lot of freaking Rust individuals, man. A lot of pros in there. Transistor 1. Okay. Is there any job openings? Let's see. Let's do it live, dude. Let's apply for a job live. Where is the LinkedIn? Hiring. Interface form. What the fuck? What am I doing? Okay, nobody else wants me to apply. Astral. Okay, name, email, resume. Okay, what am I applying for exactly? Full-time remote. Nah, bruh. I'm gonna pass. It's full-time remote and... Nah. Change my mind. Docs live. Alright guys, Bacon is done. I checked Bacon. I think we can now check the Rust 1.82 changelog. Okay, don't mix that statement, non-terminals match pattern, non-term. What the fuck? It's the right off the bat sounds very complicated. They were looking for someone who can fasten their CI process as a contractor. You can apply there. I think... Docs your resume. Bro, I don't have a resume. Like, I don't have a CV. Like, to be honest, the last CV that I prepared, like, it was fucking 4 years ago or something. I think it's pointless to have a resume if you're doing open source, because you just go to my GitHub, man. Like, what the fuck do you want me to put in the resume as an extra? Like, okay, I went to like university, all right. What else? What am I gonna put in there, dude? Like, go to my LinkedIn. That's enough. The row pointer looks interesting. Yeah, let's check that out, actually. This one, row const. Why don't you go full-time? Tell me the real story. Okay, you want the real story? I'm already rich, man. No. No, I don't know, man. Yeah. I like bullshitting around, like, I do some random stuff, basically. I like freedom. But which one is the row pointer? One row. This one? No, bruh, I don't even understand most of these, to be honest with you. I need to go into them and read about them. He transcended monitor needs. Row const. Okay, this what did I click? Okay, this one. Row ref op. Interesting. Give me some code maybe. Yeah, sure, I can just read 100 files to understand this probably, but so what's the catch of this? I need a simpler explanation. It's basically a native syntax creating unsafe row pointers. Okay, so yeah, but I remember I used something like this before, like maybe not exactly something like this. Let me check. I think I have it in Menyoki somewhere. No, I don't think I didn't have row pointers there. Okay, it's quite an advanced thing to do. I never use this, so it's nice to have, I guess. It seems quite advanced. So I was going to show you my LinkedIn, right? I just exposed all my things, but anyways, so you know, what am I gonna put on my CV? Like my work experience is basically open source developer, right? And the explanation is making it happen. Like I'm making it happen. And the package maintainer and the maintainer and then other things. Like it's basically GitHub at this point. So if I create a CV, it's just going to be the reflection of GitHub. So I don't know. Give me a second. I need to switch to this. Okay. I realized that there was a little bit of delay on my video, so yeah. Stabilize nested field access. Stabilize const operands in inline assembly. Probably I'll need that in the future. Probably. Compiler, libraries, and so on. Cargo info, okay. What is that? That's actually interesting. Get information about a crate from the command line without having to go to the... That's nice. That's nice. Alright. I see. I think there was already a cargo info somewhere. Cargo info. Yeah. Cargo info. Came on. Oh no, there was cargo information, but this is quite cool. I like this. Nice. Guys, let's give them a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Give this guy a ton of money. Why don't companies fund you? I don't know. Maybe I'm not doing interesting enough things to get funding from companies. So Rust Fellowship. I don't know if they've all... I don't know if I'm doing anything worth getting a fellowship yet. I mean, if I get Ratatouille into some Rust core things, maybe I can. Or maybe if they need anything like that in the Rust projects, probably I can apply. But I feel like yeah, I need to look into it a bit. I feel like most of my... So I'm gonna get real here for a second, guys. I'm gonna get super real, alright? Since 3 people watching and you guys... I feel kind of close to you guys, I'm gonna get real. So I feel like the things that I've been doing so far in my open source career is that they are mostly fun. Like fun projects. They are cool, you know? Very cool projects. But when you look at from a usefulness, or not usefulness, but like a tech standpoint, it's not, they are not always integratable with other things. So because they're not libraries, right? I mean, most of the things are, these are just command line tools. These are command line tools. So if you So if I started working on libraries instead of creating these tools over the years, I could probably find a bit better like position in the ecosystem, because then I would be someone like probably Ed Page or like, I don't know, these other maintainers, and I would join cargo stuff and Rust, official Rust projects and so on. But since I was just on my own little creative box, I was just doing the things that really interested me, you know, not like the super hardcore math algorithm Rust stuff, but more on the side that, you know, let me create this interesting tool, or let me create this interesting thing, because I'm like, this would be cool, you know, it would be nice. So that's why it was like, you know, I end up with this resume, and I'm not really complaining, by the way. I'm just observing myself. By the way, look at the contributions. It's 777. Hold on, let me take a screenshot. That looks cool. So yeah, that's why it's kind of I don't know. I'm gonna do more like library stuff, or like more tech or like deep dive stuff before I can get like a more official funding from more official Rust organization, if that makes sense, you know. The closest I've come to usefulness is Rust C library for a sound visualizer. Yeah, I mean, I like what I do, and I want people who sponsor me to sponsor me for these stuff that I'm doing. So it's a creative process for me, you know. I want to like create things, and I want to do it like, I don't want to stuck in a place. So when you sponsor me, you can expect anything. Like, maybe tomorrow I'll do some interesting tool about security, and then the next day I can do some embedded programming and publish an interesting thing and stuff like that, you know. I like doing those kind of useful tools, like binaries or, you know, projects, but not only useful as in people, like a lot of people depend on it as a library and so on. Well, I like automating things, so creating not creating libraries kind of related to that, I think. Automation and being I don't know, I think you guys get me. I don't need to explain this any further. Cargo shuttle out, did it well. It was good. It was good. There are a lot of talented people in there, so it was good, but it was a short-term contract. So yeah, guys, help me caption this, by the way. What should I put there? Let's make this thing get at least 100k views. Any ideas for a caption? But yeah, that's a little observation that I made over the years. Doesn't change the fact that I'm still super rich and living in a mansion and got like 12 cars and, you know, got a private jet. I'm just going to the conferences. I don't really need to do much, so you know how it goes, man. So I'm gonna actually create a new release for this action. I kind of didn't do it today. I didn't really have time. Post life or swimming pool shower wall. Yeah, I don't think. Okay, maybe I can just make a meme, like combine two images or something like that. Not sure. grinding. Yeah, that's quite simple. Maybe I can go with that. Need to say more. So I'm gonna create a new release for this. And I think creating a new release for this action is simply just going to releases and create a new release. I don't really need to push anything. If I remember correctly, I need to check it. Okay, so yeah, 2.6.1. That's the git cliff version, that's not the action version. So yeah, I can just draft a new one. So 3.1 release title, just the release and whatever version that is that we have. Okay, 3.4.3.1. That's a weird version, but okay. And then if I remember correctly, I also create the changelog like this. Fixtures, Cliff Toml version 4.3.1, 4.4, the fuck, 4.3.1, okay, 4.3.1, and strip all the parts and copy. Okay, then we got, oh shit, what the fuck. Okay, oh yeah, unreleased. Okay, action limit content size to 40 megabytes. Yeah. Okay, no, actually GitHub Mobile. Let me use GitHub Mobile for authentication. It works. Let's see. Okay, it didn't. What the fuck? Guys, give me a second. I'm gonna come back to you. I don't wanna expose my whole life. Incorrect password. What do you mean? Alright, we're back. So create a new release. And what I do is usually post that tutorial on with caption need we say more. Yeah, give me a second, I'm gonna check that. So fetch the tags, retag the v4. So force v4, force push the tags. It's a super bad way of managing this, but whatever. Force push the tags. Okay, so now v4 points to v4.3.1. So that's cool. Okay, that's good. Dang, don't you love when your distro still builds for i686 and Rustcrete puts a random align of my struct hardcode number? Oh shit. In build? Damn, why do you build for that architecture? Are you doing... Is it packaging related or your project? It sounds a bit like pain. Either way. So yeah. Okay, I'm checking some things. I'm gonna find something to work on. It's a crate for WebAssembly that isn't even needed for the package. Damn. pain, dude. It's real pain. So I found this new project. It's called DSED. Maybe I can take a look into this. I don't know. I wanna actually change this music to something. This is funny. Guys, take a look at this. It's come on, load. Clippy versus the Black Hole. Atmospheric drum and bass mix. Where's Clippy? That's quite an aesthetic thing. I believe in you, Clippy. Hell yeah. Oh, look at this. Wow. Only OGs know about this. So DSED, debugger for SED. Demystify and debug your SED scripts from comfort of your terminal. Is this using Ratatouille? Let's check. Hell yeah, man. That's nice. So Ratatouille approved. We can simply package this now because it's using Ratatouille. So that's the only thing that I'm packaging. Okay, I already added a comment here. Wow, on 2020. Oh shit. In 2020 I added a comment to the package. Wow. Guys, that's history right there. It's 4 years ago. I don't even remember. I don't even remember. Also, it got a new release yesterday. Wow, okay. What was the contents? Hey, is it using Ratatouille or Tui? I need to check. It's using Tui, but as a Ratatouille. Okay, maybe I can just check out their code because I think this is an old project and might be nice to Ratatouilleify this a bit more, if you know what I'm saying. DSED. Okay, let's run it. Also, let's just try bacon, dude. Or no, I'm not gonna use bacon. So, firstly, it's using Tui with the, okay, we can just simply do something like Ratatouille. And yeah. And then change the Tui references to Ratatouille. Also change the cross term oh yeah, I didn't change the cross term references to Ratatouille cross term. No, sorry, Ratatouille cross term. And it's gonna simplify some things. Only 4 subscribers to 1K. Okay. Live subscriber count. That's me. 0. Okay, 4 subs. Guys, let's make it happen in this stream. Alright, let's make it happen. Go to your 4 other YouTube accounts and no, don't do that. Goal for videos 41, channel views 50k. Do I have 50k views? What the fuck? Okay, 4 subs. I don't think this is real time, by the way. I don't think it's updating at real time, but anyways. Fix. Wait, what? Okay, cross term. I don't want you to do the push today, but prepare, we're getting close. Do you mean push-ups? No, I don't think this will happen today, because like I said, this is not real time. I mean, I've been taking a look at my subscriber count since last week, and it's like not updating. So it gets stuck at the same number for a couple of days, and then it goes up after that. So I don't think this is real time, but anyways. So let's run the set script and input file. Do we have any examples? Okay, test sed. Okay, let's test sed and sed readme. That's cool. That's quite nice, actually. I need to see it for myself, though. I can do still push-ups, by the way, if you don't hit. Oh, who the fuck unsubscribe, bruh? Like, what the fuck? Oh, sorry. Sorry, man. It's real time. Unsubscribe now. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, it's real time. All right. Please subscribe back, please, man. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. We have 4 more. Thank you. That's really important. That's my whole life, you know. Internet is my whole life, so I don't want to lose subs. Yeah, it's really... I was not really expecting this to be real time, but alright. I should have planned something special for today then. I mean, I was not expecting to hit 1K that early. Don't do the dirt like that. Yeah, don't please. So enable, okay, disable mouse capture. I like this music. Okay, I'm just gonna contribute to them. AUR. Refactor. Simplify imports. No, simplify. Simplify what? Simplify the dependencies. Simplify TUI usage. Ratatouille usage. Ratatouille usage. Okay. Let's see how many lines did we gain from that. Guys, come on. Just 4 people, man. Just text your grandma or someone like that who uses YouTube and tell them to just subscribe, alright? I hope YouTube officials are not watching this, because I can actually get banned from saying that. Yeah, just I don't know, guys. Just 4 more, alright? 4 people. Tweet it and it'll happen in minutes. People will subscribe just for me to hit 1K. I want real fans, if you know what I'm... No, yeah, I can just tweet it. You're right. But I don't want to make it happen without tweeting it. So the universe should align in a way that I will gain 4 subscribers without doing nothing. Without doing anything. What is this? Mr. Beast versus T-Series live subscriber count. Let's see. That's numbers, bruh. Difference is 44 million. 44 million. One day I'll reach that, don't worry. One day we'll make it happen. We want the OGs, exactly. Refactor. Okay, what's the commit? Refactor twee. Simplify rotate and pump dependency. Pump rotate and simplify usage. Don't subscribe if you're not on Rotate contributor list. Exactly. Exactly. Or you can just unsubscribe. No, don't unsubscribe, but don't subscribe. I don't know what I just said. Okay, that should be enough. And I actually want to move this to the official repos. I'm not sure, man. Maybe I'll wait for another release. Maybe 1.2.3 or 1.3 I will be moving this, but not now. I need to see some activity first, because sometimes I move packages to the official posters and then they just get abandoned. So I don't want that, basically. I want to see some activity first, so yeah. Alright, we gained 16 lines from this refactor, which is not much, but for some reason it did some styling updates, which is not nice. That's not cool, man. What happened? Cargo nightly FMT. Oh shit, that's... Okay. If they want me to revert in FMT changes, I will do it, don't worry. By the way, I knew a few days back that you maintain lurk as well. Yeah, I mean at this point I have to, because I use it in Binsider, so yeah. Okay, let me check my list once again. Check my to-do list. What can I do? What can I do? What am I gonna do next? There's another tool that I want to check actually. It's called Nokwa. Let's check together. Cross-platform Rust library for powerful webcam camera capture. It's a library, okay. Absolute highest frame rate. That's nice. Yeah, I thought it was a binary. I guess it's a binary as well, or no. Okay, Okay, it's a library. It's fine. Okay, it's cool. I'm just gonna keep this in my pocket, just in case, you know. Okay, guys, come on, four more people. I can make this happen. Okay, Docker stuff. I don't wanna check out Docker stuff yet. Okay, you know what? I'm super tired, but I'm gonna push my limits, and I'm gonna check the very important tweet that I've been working on. This is for the Rust C's performance suite, and there's a comment there. I'm just gonna do what they want, basically. I'm super tired though, but I can do it. I'll do it, guys. Just need to remember how do I run this. So I think it was something like cargo run bin collector. Yeah, let's see. It's a quite cool project and it's an official Rust project, so I'm trying to add a tweet for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna check it out. I basically wrote this thing and at the conference last week, so okay, so I think the comment, I don't know. I was just running this. So choose metric and choose artifact, and then you get a very nice tree. So yeah, this is the tree. One thing that I will do here is that I want to change this thing with a proper table instead of this string table, you know. So let me do that. Let me actually have a proper table. Okay. Also, maybe I can just refactor things a bit here. So basically, this is for this is for seeing. Hold on, I need to find a website. Yeah, this is a tweet for this data. You see, this is the same table and some metrics. So this is, yeah, basically that. But the code is like speedrun quality, so I need to fix some things there. For example, these draw stuff is like super weird, and yeah. So the comment that I got for this was actually pretty good shape and split a large function into a bunch of small ones, but that's detail. Inquire. Oh yeah, this will take some time to implement because they want to have like a selection box, and we don't have a selection box in Ratatouille. That's a third-party thing. I think we have it in Ratatouille widgets though. Let me check. I think it was from Josh and Tui widgets. Tui prompts. Tui prompts? No, it's not selection box. I'm not sure, like using like combo boxes and like selection boxes and dialogue seems too much of a Tui aesthetic to me. I think we can do better in the terminal. So yeah, speedrun quality, man. I just basically wrote the whole thing while sitting next to this guy, and yeah, it was quite fast. Quite fast because yeah, just want to show him that it is actually possible, and yeah. So yeah, maybe I can just do the table thing today and then come back to the rest later on. I just need to take some time and properly work on this. So tabled is being used in collector. Okay, it's actually being used in other places, so I'm not sure if I can get rid of it completely. But I can at least get rid of it here. That's good. So name, regression, name count range. Okay, let's create that table. So we have one, okay, regression. I think I can just render it here. So headers will be name, count, range, and mean. Name, count, range, mean, and let me create the rows. Regressions, okay. Name, regression count, range, display range. That's, yeah, okay. It's gonna be a row, vector of rows. Okay, does it work? Yeah. Okay, that was easy. And then what we're gonna do, create a table basically. So table new, no highlights. What did I do, man? Why is it not working? Okay. Why do you complain? It derived tabled, and there's no tabled anymore. Display range and display mean. Okay, there's no table, so remove those things. Configurations table, there's no configurations table. I think I can just use percentage. And just fill the rest. Or yeah, just percentage 100 should fill it. So what am I doing wrong? Rows and widths. What the hell is this error message, bruh? What the hell? What is going on? The trait. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? I'm just trying to create a paragraph from a table. That's wrong. Okay, now it should be good. Okay, again, just remove the paragraph here then, and just run it. Come on. Okay, we have a table. For some reason, it's not that nice. But it's a table, so... Yeah, I need to work on the constraints a bit. Maybe I can... add some background color to the items. Something like that. But, or maybe we don't really need to remove table, because table is being used on other parts of the code. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna ask about those questions in the issue later on. I don't have the energy right now, so I'm gonna check that later. But basically we're trying to build this thing, but in the terminal. So yeah. Still didn't hit 1K. Maybe later on we'll hit it. But yeah, I guess that's it from me. I'm super sleepy, guys. Any last words? Any questions? Anything? Just shoot it, or I'm gonna... go. Good night, everybody. Good night, Transistor by Zimon. Thanks for tuning in. See you when I hit 1K subs, probably. I'll think of something special to do. Or maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. I'm open to new ideas. So guys, take care. And Take it easy, I guess. See you around. Bye.